Perfect the pace, mastering your presentation rehearsal. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on mastering public speaking and presentations. Today, we're going to focus on an essential aspect of your preparation process, rehearsing for proper timing and pacing. Specifically, we'll explore how to adjust your presentation based on your rehearsal outcomes. Remember, practice doesn't make perfect, perfect practice makes perfect. Before we dive into adjusting your presentation, it's crucial to understand what timing and pacing in a presentation mean. Timing refers to the overall duration of your presentation, which you should always be aware of. Pacing, on the other hand, is about the speed at which you deliver your content, how fast or slow you talk, and the pauses you take. Both are essential for ensuring your audience remains engaged and can absorb the information you're sharing. Rehearsing is a key part of presentation preparation. It's not just about making sure you remember your material. It's an opportunity to practice your timing and pacing, identify parts of your presentation that might need adjustment, and become more comfortable with your content. Through rehearsal, you can discover whether your presentation is too long, too short, too fast, or too slow. Now, let's get to the heart of today's lesson: adjusting your presentation based on your rehearsal outcomes. If your presentation is too long, you'll need to condense some sections or cut out less relevant information. If it's too short, you'll want to expand on your points or add more relevant content. If your pacing is too fast, practice slowing down and adding meaningful pauses for emphasis. If it's too slow, work on tightening up your language and being more direct. This is a nuanced process, and it's okay to take some time to get it right. The key is to always be responsive to the feedback your rehearsal provides. Here are some practical tips to improve your rehearsal process. First, time yourself during your practice sessions. Second, record your rehearsals. Listening back allows you to identify areas for improvement objectively. Third, consider practicing in front of a friend or colleague and ask for their feedback on your timing and pacing. They can provide valuable insights that you may have missed. Remember, the goal of rehearsing and adjusting your presentation is to deliver your content effectively and keep your audience engaged. Don't be discouraged if your first few rehearsals don't go as planned. It's a learning process, and each rehearsal brings you one step closer to delivering an effective and engaging presentation. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, keep adjusting, and you'll master the art of presentation in no time.